Well, they've been very good this week. They've kept you welcome on the hillsides. They won't let me in the digs. No, they were very good last night. They were marvellous. I mean, well, they were not the best audience last night. In fact, they were undertakers. That was bad enough to have the clients with them. I've seen more life in a tramp's vest. But, you know, I did very well. I worked very hard. At the end, I had them with me all the way, but I shook them off at Ghent.
Because you're a master, as we've already seen, of the vernacular, if you'll pardon the expression, and when you've built up this marvellous collection of colloquialisms. How did that all start?
I don't really know, actually. I think he's been married to an ex-German Luftwaffe pilot. Because she was crashed in a field in Essex. She's a lot older than me, the wife, and her maiden name was Bowman. And I think because there was no communication, I just had to rely on the vernacular. Doesn't do you any harm, does it?
Have you picked up any good phrases in Wales?
No, not yet. I found the Welsh language difficult to understand. I like it, but it sounds like somebody snapping braces at first. But it's very lyrical. No, I think the nearest was an old chap. The last time I was down here, but I think when I met you, it was an old guy who said, he was talking about his wife, and he said, "Oh, what a woman, she's got a mouth like a workhouse oven." Which I've kept in my little
Well, talking about marriage, I mean, what's the truth about you and your mother-in-law?
Oh, we get on very well, you know. I mean, she does things her way and I do things her way. I'm not saying she's an angry woman in any given. When she shows her teeth, she makes George look like an advert for whitebait. No, we get on quite well. She's outside in the car. I'd have brought her in, I've lost the keys to the boot.
Well, here you are. You've proved now a master of the stand-up comic. But in your TV shows, of course, you're moving away more into characters. What's brought this about?
Well, it's a change more than anything. I mean, it's we find that the TV audience are getting younger, you know. I mean, most of my fans have got teething rashes, and they like the characters more. So we've introduced characters like Happy Harry, and with a new series starting in September called The Despots. We've got this terrible and miserable British family, which is funny. It's sort of black comedy in a way. But we've got one or two favourite characters, you know.
What's your favourite character?
Cosmo Smallpiece.
Well, he's mine too, but what do you think his verdict would be on Welsh women?
Would you really like his opinion?
Well, I think we would.
Right. Well, it's quite simple and rather pithy. It's quite simply... Bottle. Can't get enough. Come down from the valleys. Knickers, knackers, knockers.